day. My name is Diana Mejia. I belong to the group 357. The main sources of employment are the companies that manufacture the cements and coals, steel in the different organizations. These companies are located in the municipality of Sogamoso, Boyacá, where the industry is growing and is strategic over time. This company have as a privilege the sort of cements, some of steel, such as barilla and other things with respect to the matter, and the companies that elaborate blocks with are raw material that is called cloth. The elaboration of the product allows the good commercial development in the municipality of Sogamoso, Boyacá. Gracias.